Hello everyone! So this is our Pattaya shopping haul. Let's go! We got this from Nong Notch. So this is 120 baht with smoothie na siya. So cute! So if you happen to visit Terminal 21 in Pattaya, don't forget to visit information to get free snacks. We have hair clip for 39 baht. Also have this trendy top for 160 baht. This is their famous elephant pants. So this is for only 100 baht. So we're so happy because nakita mi og Thailand clothing brand nga ilaha gyud mismo. So we got this for 390 baht, buy one take one. Grabe, what a steal, guys. So this brand is from Nature and collaboration with it. Very nice ang quality. Mo gid ang ginapangita, guys, since nata sa Thailand, gusto ko makapalit og kanang clothing brand yun nila nga from Thailand yun. So I'm happy I got this one, plus naka mega sale pa yun sila, buy one take one. Ang partner niya is this one. See, nice kaayo, napadud siya embroidered diri. Got this cute top for 390 baht ra gihapon. And also this one, crop top, buy one take one gihapon for 390 baht. See, what a steal. Pinakaganahan din nako is from Nomsha. So everyday look, nindot jud sa quality, guys. Pero kita nako, I fell in love. Over. So this is for only 350 baht. See, nice kaayo. Oh, embroidered pa gina siya. Laging brand. Oh, crap. Oh, nice. Palit po ko og taas nga version and long sleeve version. See? Cute, cute kaayo. Nice juga siya. Grabe ang quality. Nice juga kaayo. Worth it kaayo. So, this is the end of our Pattaya haul. Until next time, bye!